You have Bitcoin flashing software, but when you start a new transaction, it automatically closes. Or when transaction is done, you receive nothing. Here are the 5 reasons why your Bitcoin flashing software didn't work correctly. First, you get your software from public groups like this. All the softwares from public groups are not working and most of them may be infected with a virus. So don't try to run them on your laptop or PC, keep it safe. Second, not all additional files installed are installed incorrect. All the softwares require Binance server file and configuration, which is suitable for this program version. All additional files for Bitcoin flashing available in my Telegram channel, link in description. Third, legged Bitcoin flashing software never use license or subscription system. If your software asks for any type of payment, it's 100% fake. Get yourself a good software in my Telegram channel. First, if after you start a new transaction, software shows you QR code to pay transaction fee, it's also 100% fake. Don't send anything on that address. 5. Only Bitcoin can be flashed. All the other flash coins like USDT don't exist. If your software have function to flash USDT or other coins, it's also 100% fake. More than 90 happy customers already purchased Bitcoin Flash software from my Telegram channel. I personally guide all the customers with software setup and file settings. All the deals and live transaction video already posted there, so click the link in description, I'll be glad to see you there. Your admin, Laxman Play.